All right, you guys, I have another life update. I feel like when I originally started doing life updates, I was like, oh, just do them every few months or so. There's not that much going on. There is crazy stuff happening all the time. Where I could do a life update for every month and have so much to update you guys on. So Lexi wanted to join today. She's sleeping on my lap. You probably can't see her. She's getting a big girl now. You want to say hi? Yeah, her hair splits down the middle like this, so we call her her little hairdo right here, huh? Yeah, she loves to give kisses. And then we put her in her dog hair don't care sweater. I love when it gets cold out here because I can dress the dogs in sweaters. They hate me for it, but they're so cute. So anyways, she's on my lap and Ladybug is at my feet. So if you hear snoring, it's her. So I just wanted to do an update as we go into a holiday season at the end of the year. I can't remember if the last video I had talked about how we're going to expand into Target. That's kind of the major focus for right now. I know our launches this year have been kind of laying low, and there's no big excuses for that or anything at all. I just want to explain one of the reasons for that this year is because all of our resources, financially, time, staff, space, all of that has been prepping for Target. I don't know if you guys know, in April we had launched just kind of a trial run with them. And there was 8 indie brands that they had on the end cap, and they were trying to see how it would do in the market. And we sold out of product within a couple days. And they let us know the following week they wanted us to talk to them about being in line, where we have a complete section of a bunch of products. So that's going to happen in February. I'm so excited because it's a massive amount of product. We're having brow products, we have full set of lashes, there's exclusive palettes, quads, new face stuff, all of these lips. There's like a whole lineup of product. The only thing we won't have quite yet is foundations and concealers. That will happen in the future. I'm working on formulations right now. So that's been the focus of everything Makeup Geek. I know it's been a little bit quiet. We do have the holiday collection that came out, which I love. I'm wearing it today. It's the this palette and then the lip glaze set, which I will talk about in a second. So we have that, and we have another launch for spring. But that's been our focus right now is Target. So we love Target, woo woo. So if you have a Target near you right now, we're in select stores. In February, we'll be in twice as many stores. So I'll try to update you guys on what locations are for that. So that's what's going on with Makeup Geek. And then Marsté launched not too long ago. That's doing really, really well. I'm trying to prep new styles for next year, so we'll have an additional set of clothes that you guys can check out. And so I love everything about the Marsté line. It's so high quality. I'm really excited to get more educational content for you guys, so I'll be focusing on that after the holidays as well. Some really fun just tips of how to figure out what your body type is, how to dress for it, fun and funky ideas like rocker chic, boho, glam, all that stuff. So I'm really, really excited about that. And then on a personal note, there's one topic you guys had asked me about that I haven't updated in a while, was about my hair, because everyone's liking my hair lately. I was saying it's not really my hair, it's this bomb lighting that I have going on here that makes it look very shiny. But I did have an update because I don't know if you guys knew, years ago, I talked about how I lost so much hair. I'm wearing extensions still. That has not stopped. I will even show you. I have the taping kind. It's not on this side. It's on this side. Hold on, Lexi. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I wear tape-in extensions. I don't know the brand exactly, but I'll show you. Can you guys see that little tab right there? So the reason I wear tape-in extensions is because I literally lost probably about 60% of my hair. And it happened when I started losing weight, and I did it a very healthy way. I was, just eating very clean, exercising. I didn't do anything, super intense or dramatic or anything, but somehow in the process of that, my hair just started falling out. And the last couple years, it's come to a stop. So I haven't lost any more hair, but I haven't had any of it grow back. So what I did to make it stop, honestly, that worked for me was going gluten-free. And I did this celiac testing, and everyone's like, oh, get tested. Maybe you have celiac disease. Came back negative. My doctor's like, you don't have it, but my holistic doctor said, just try it, Marlena. Just eat gluten-free. It won't hurt you. If anything, it'll help you feel better. And I did that several years ago, and it made such a huge difference in how I felt, how my stomach was acting. And I noticed after that, my hair stopped falling out. But I still have me some baldy spots in here. Like, I don't know, my hair splits right here. Let me show you. Can't believe I'm showing all this. See how it's just, you can see my scalp and it's very thin up here. So I want to give you a couple of tips on that. Just first, those of you out there who lost your hair, like it's honestly okay. It happens to a lot of us. And what I do to kind of hide it is I always use a dry shampoo that's colored. And the one I'm liking right now is the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. And what I do is I honestly, just any baldy spot, let me show you right here. I just spray the roots of it, and it's really inexpensive, but do you see how it kind of hides the scalp a little bit? And it makes, sorry, oh yeah, she does not like it. She's like, what are you doing? I'm trying to nap here. But what it does is it hides my little baldy spots, makes my hair look a lot thicker because it's a dark color dry shampoo. So I love that. And then I always tease my hair, but I do it very carefully. I talked about this before at A Current Obsession. It's the pin comb. You can get it on Amazon. I'll link to it below for you. But honestly, all I do, yes, do you want your hair teased too, Lexi? I know. So what I do is I just very carefully kind of tease it to give it volume, and then I'll add a little spray if I need, and that's all I do. The shampoo I use is the Way one, and I'll try to link to that below. It's in my shower, and I feel like it's very soft, gives me a lot of shine, and then I just add a little bit of the Way hair oil on the ends, and that's honestly it. I'm pretty low maintenance with my hair, guys. So if you feel like you've lost a lot of hair volume, don't feel like it's the end of the world. Honestly, just a little dry shampoo, a little teasing, a little hairspray, you are good to go. No one will ever know. So that's the update on my hair stuff. My health is doing a little bit better. So my focus right now is on getting back on my weight loss journey, because I know it's been obvious that I've gained weight over the last couple years because of stress and so much going on. And so starting in January, if you guys want me to do weight loss videos like cooking ideas or what I'm doing to work out, let me know. I'm happy to do some of that for you. Just post it in the comments. But I am going to get back on my weight loss journey now that my life is in a bit more stable place. I'm out of a toxic relationship. I'm in Washington now, so everything, I don't know, I feel like it's cleaner here, and it's very like, I don't know, I feel like I'm more inclined to get outside. So I will start that up too. And then I was going to tell you guys I'm going to be on TV soon. So I go to LA the second week of December, and I'm be on a show. It's called The Look All-Stars, and it's a makeover show, and it's really cool because it's all about making people feel better. It's about empowering people, confidence. It's just a very positive, good show. I'll link to that so you guys could check out the episodes that have been aired. I'll give you more information as I know more, because I'm in talks with the producer. But Tori Spelling was the host, and then I think they have some other people that are going to be guest showing on the show that you'll recognize their names. I can't talk about them right now, but that is supposed to air, I believe, in March. So stay tuned for that. Really excited. And I do have another documentary coming out that I'm not going to mention any more about, but that comes out next year too. So I'm very excited because there's lots of TV opportunities for 2019. So I'm so excited about that. That's kind of the life update right now, is being on TV, expanding into Target. As far as the baby thing goes, we're going to try again next year. Right now, I'm kind of on a hold right now just to get my health and my body in a better place. And then just still like physically and emotionally recovering from the miscarriage and all that. So that hopefully next year will be a good year for that. We will see. So send some prayers and positive thoughts that will happen and I will have a safe pregnancy. Are you giving me kisses? She's such a kissy girl. You want to give kisses? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Lexi's 11. Thank you. She's 11 months now and she's such a licker. She licks everyone all the time. I'm to the point like, I love your kisses, but I just put makeup on. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you too. Okay. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're doing great. Have a great holiday season. This is my favorite time of year. I'm so freaking excited about 2019. I think it's going to be such an amazing year. I have so many things on the horizon that I cannot wait to happen. So, yay. All right, you guys take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.